Guess who I seen here at InfoComm? We have Coach Kerr, coach of the Warriors.
Hey guys.
Coach Kerr, will you be getting on a plane to Cleveland right after the show?
Toasty! You surprised me on the video, right? Coach Kerr?
He's coaching tonight.
Yeah, right.
Look at the Warriors. You gotta see them. Way. Yeah.
How's it going, everybody? Joel from BZB TV here. We made it. This is the final day of InfoComm 18 here in Las Vegas. Now, me and Florante have been a couple of busy bees this whole week, but it's all worth it bringing all of you inside scoop here at the show. Speaking of 3, we are giving away 3 GoPro Hero cameras, and this is one of the episodes that you could enter yourself in that giveaway. Just comment on this video along with our day 1 and day 2 videos. Remember, subscribe to BZB TV. Keep yourself updated on this giveaway, as well as the winners, which we will reveal next week. All right, so how about we get to it, get inside the show floor. Let's make this final day of InfoComm memorable.
InfoComm 2018 in Las Vegas, Nevada, and today we're taking a look at our active fiber HDMI cables.
Set up a quad view setting so that you can see, in this case, 4 different signals on one panel itself.
Today to show you the eVision 10K and the eVision series. This particular product is available as a 4K or a 1080p model in brightness levels from 7,500 lumens all the way up to 10,000 lumens.
Hi, I'm Dave with InterAm, and I wanted to introduce a new product that will be out in September. It's a new amplifier, a 4-channel Dante-based version.
These are all the encoders and decoders. And we have, 4 in, 4 out going into over 4 TVs.
Subscribe to BZB TV to win a GoPro.
True dual output for the 3G SDI and the IP as well, meaning you can have 1080i 5994 as well as 1080p 60. So we've got that 1x2 scaler that'll take a full 18 gig HDMI 2.0 signal, including things like HDR, into this little unit here. One output full 4K going to a screen over here, and the other output, of course, can go to your 1080p display.
What I love about InfoComm is a double-edged sword. On the one hand, it forces me to come up with new products, because when people walk up here, they want to see a dozen or more new products that they didn't see last year. So I have a lot of pressure to come up, get those things ready. So that's the tough part. But what I love about it is customers that come in, and when I show them what they are, I see their eyes light up and they go, wow, I need something like this. Another great thing that happens here at InfoComm, I absorb what they're looking for, so I get ideas for what I got to be doing for next year's InfoComm. But last but not least, what I like about InfoComm is you guys at BZB Express, because You give me so much energy when you come here to do these shoots. I get a kick out of it. And we really appreciate what you guys do from us. And to all of our customers, please go check out bzbexpress.com.
Wow, we made it to day 3. It's finally coming to a close. InfoComm 2018. It's been so much fun, but I am really tired. How are you feeling, Joe?
Exhausted, but very rewarded. Feel like we had a good show. Hope you guys enjoyed the 3-day journey here with us in Las Vegas. Saw a lot of cool things, met a lot of cool people. And remember guys, you guys can still enter for that GoPro Hero giveaway. Yes. Simply comment on this video along with our day 1 and day 2 videos. Get your multiple entries in. Don't forget to subscribe to BZB TV as well.
And also, I know a lot of you viewers have been asking, when will we find out the winners of this GoPro giveaway? Make sure you stay tuned because we have a post InfoComm video and we will announce the winner on that video next week. So make sure you subscribe and make sure you don't miss that episode because you may be giving your GoPro to someone else. We don't want that, right? You want to win, so make sure you stay tuned. We want to also thank you guys for all the kind words and support on the comments. We appreciate it so much. You gave us the energy to complete the show. So much thanks to all of you guys.
All right, we need to sign off because we're about to get rolled up with the carpet.
Oh, shoot.
So, you know, signing up. My name is Joel.
Lorante.
We can't wait to get back home. Safe travels.
Safe travels to you.
Yes. We shall see you next week in the office at the Hive. See you guys later.